2026 is getting crazy for gadgets. From smart glasses to AI wearables and futuristic displays, these are 10 gadgets actually worth knowing about. Let's count them down. 10. Retro handheld consoles. Retro gaming just got pocket-sized. These tiny handhelds recreate classics like the ZX Spectrum and Commodore 64 with a 4.3-inch screen and support for your own games. Pure nostalgia in your pocket. 9. RayNeo Air for Pro. These aren't normal glasses. They turn your phone, laptop, or console into a giant virtual display. With micro-OLED and HDR10, the picture looks seriously impressive. 8. Anker SOLIX S5 Power Outage. This portable power station can keep essential devices running for hours, even your refrigerator. It's basically a backup battery for your home. 7. Fitbit Air. No screen, no distractions. Just a tiny wearable tracking your sleep, heart rate, and activity. Sometimes less technology is actually better. 6. Ultra-thin GaN power bank. Power banks are getting ridiculously thin. With GaN fast charging, you can carry serious charging power without filling your entire bag. Small gadget, big upgrade. 5. Xiaomi Watch S5. This smartwatch doesn't look like a typical smartwatch. It has a bright AMOLED display, a slimmer design, and looks more like a traditional watch, tech without looking too touchy. 4. Dual network tracker, Apple or Android. You don't have to choose anymore. This tracker works across Apple Find My and Google Find My device, making it easier to find your keys, bag, or luggage. 3. AI voice recorder pin. This tiny wearable can record and transcribe your conversations and voice notes. AI is getting smaller and more invisible. 2. Googlebook. Google is rethinking the Chromebook idea. The goal is a lightweight laptop experience that's more powerful and deeply connected to Google's ecosystem. It could change how we think about affordable laptops. 1. Glasses-free 3D monitor. And this one feels like the future. A 3D monitor that lets you experience 3D without wearing glasses. Gaming, movies, and creative work could look completely different. This might be the gadget that finally makes glasses-free 3D mainstream. So, which one would you actually buy? Number 1 or something else? Let me know in the comments and follow for more tech.